Wave hi. You say hello. Wave. Go hello. Go hello. Show me your Band-Aid. Where's your Band-Aid? Is that your Band-Aid? Good job.
Oh my God. How can you stand it?
You watching your brother? We gotta go race. You want to go race on the track? Go race. Go over there and go race. Look, we're gonna race down the track. Look.
Show him.
Today we have 2 sides of the racetrack. I think we might take Hot Wheels cars down this.
Yeah.
What do you think, Alexander? You want to take Hot Wheels cars down it?
Mm-hmm.
Well, that's an unfair track. One's longer than the other.
One's longer than the other.
Yeah, that one's a little bit longer on that side.
Yeah.
Here's our helicopter pad. There's Harold the helicopter.
I'm just showing him how I went. What?
Sadie subscribed to your YouTube channel.
Mommy, Sadie subscribed to my YouTube
Oh,
channel.
cool. Your cousin Sadie. That's really awesome. Let's see. What's this one called? Hey, what's the name of this train, Alexander? Charlie. We have Charlie the train right here. You like Charlie the train? Do you have some cars for us to race, Alexander?
Yeah.
See if we have a better vantage point up here to watch them race. No, Julian jumped out all the tracks. All right, let's see how this track works. Alexander just finished building it. Who are you gonna take on the track? Who is this?
This one. I'm gonna take this on the track. All ground here again. Then you go to ground. Fix it. Swims in. It goes around the blue part, that part, and then blue. And then we're back.
Very good. Can you show me how cranky works? Let's see. Cranky spins around. Very cool. Can Cranky lift anybody up?
Yeah, it's okay. It goes back on. No.
Oh, did you break Cranky?
It goes back on. See? It's okay.
Okay.
It goes back on. Isn't that crazy?
That is crazy.
Joel! No!
Oh no!
Joel, no!
Did he break your track? You just have to put it back together.
Oh, what was this thing?
Do you want me to get it?
But here's my subway one train. Here's the subway train. Subway one. Cool. Now let's get going. Ah! Here we go. Mommy, I'm probably not gonna be in the phone. Come here, come here. We'll have to see. Come here, I'm not gonna be in the phone anymore. Come see. We'll have to come see. I'm not gonna be in the phone anymore.
You're not gonna be in the phone.
Yeah, see?
Oh, in the video? Yeah, because you go behind it. You were traveling behind there.
And now
Leave that alone, Julian. Yeah, leave it be.
Now leave it be. That's a video camera. The video myself.
What happened here? Your track broke down part of the way?
It's okay. No, it didn't.
Oh, okay. Do you want me to clip something there to help it stay steady?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
We'll see what we can put up there to make it stay steady. Let's see. Oh, I know what we can get. Okay.
Yeah, you gotta keep it still.
Steady. Here, I think we can put one of these up here. Watch out, Joel.
Stay. Switch to the point. Now go to the subway. No, the subway's traveling. Look, the subway's driving now.
Yeah.
The subway's driving. Driving back to the wooden part of the track. It's driving back to the wooden part of it.
You over there playing too, Julian? You built a pretty cool city there, Alexander.
Yeah, because look at it.
Yeah, I see it. It's pretty awesome.
Pretty cool.
Cool.
Now here's what you see. Here. Oh.
That's too tall.
Oh yeah, I think I'm on the bit more. Oh yeah, I think
There we go.
I'm on the vehicle anymore.
What, bud? There we go. I think that'll work better. And we'll just do this one here. Keep it steady. You have your train? Bring the train down, guys. I know. You connected your Brio track with your Thomas the train track. The wooden track to the plastic track.
Isn't that cool?
That is very cool. You have a really cool city going on. I think my favorite part is always the drawbridge and then probably your bell over here.
This one too.
You like the wooden part?
Yeah, and I like this part too. I like both of the parts connected together. That's why I found that part.
You gonna get
And
your-
connected it to that track, to this
You
track.
gonna get your train?
That's why.
You wanna take a car down? Get your car. Find your car. There's a car. See the red and white car over there? You go get it. Look, Alexander got it for you.
Joy,
Okay.
you're destroying my city.
That's what brothers are good for.
Oh, it isn't. Look at that little house right there.
Let's see it.
Boing! Thing actually comes off.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Goes back on.
Alright, I'm
Why
gonna...
watch? This actually comes off.
Oh,
And
wow.
watch, it even goes back on.
Oh, okay.
That's
It's like a cargo carrier, huh?
yeah. Just take it off and bring it over, and then just put it back on.
you want some tater tots? I have to go watch them. I'll be back. Or
Mommy,
you can come out here with me. You can come out with me. You want to come with me? Oh, you want me to play? Come on. Come with me. Bring your truck.
Big, it's really big. Mommy, here I go to the plastic part of train track. Here I go to it. I'm plugging in. I'm plugging into this track. Here I go. You're a piece of track. Very cool. I'm coming for you. There goes a train on me. Park all these cars. This is where I can park. See. Keep going. See where we can park. See. Keep going. Keep going. Okay. Okay. Going. Let's go. Okay. Going. Let's keep on going.